Here is the floor plan for the house. Here is the front garden and here is the rear garden. And this area is the original elevation of the house, this area. And I would like to add the attention area here, the L shape, maybe L shape, or just add this area in 3-meter depth. Yeah. Here is the original garage actually. Here is the garage area. And now I want to change the usage of the garage. Here is for the porch, the hallway to inside the house, and here is the utility room for laundry, and here is the bathroom. And I want to add this area for the dining room. Yeah. Okay, we can see the 3D version of this house. Yeah. Here is the front garden, and I want to dismantle the brick fence here and just change into the lower and wider one for growing some flowers, something like that. Maybe use the original brick to build this to build this flower pot. Yeah. And here is the original lawn area, and I want to keep the lawn here, and here we're placing some gravel, and here is the slate stone paving here, and as I know, the grass and the gravel and the flower pots can also well for the flooding. Yeah, it's good for the flooding risk. Yeah, for the social area. Yeah, and here is the original front door, and here with the original brick wall here. I just want to change this brick wall into here. Yeah, to here. And then here is the original patio with brick, and I just want to keep this brick 1 inch lower, just 1 inch higher for this patio, this decking. Yeah. And then here is the original garage door. I just want to change this garage door into something you can open just like the front door. And this area is the entranceway, the hallway, and also the porch. You can put your clothes and shoes or bicycle, something like that here. And here, this floor is the same level same as the patio here. Is the same level high, and this floor is the same level high as the whole first ground level. Yes, it's the same level with the ground floor. And here is the maybe have a 1 inch higher to separate the area with the shoes area. Yeah, just like the Japanese style, you just put off all your shoes here and keep the area tidy for the house. Yeah. And then also this is the original wall with the bricks. I just painted in white. And here you can see have a little wall here to separate the area. And just for the clothing here, you can see this area is very tidy. Yeah. And here is the maybe placing the concrete floor or some uh, hexagon tiles. Yeah. And then here is the locked door you can open and come into the house. Here is the same floor. Yeah. And here is the utility room, which for the laundry function. And then you can see I just want to build some storage cabinets uh, to customize the washing machines and the dryer and keep the area tidy, something like that. You can open the door and you can see here is the washing machine and dryer. And here is the folding area for the clothes. And you can hang the hangers here. And this cabinet is for the boiler and the cleaning stuff here. And here we have the and here is the other door. You can come into the bathroom. And this is the only bathroom in the house as the ground floor. When you open the door, you can see some storage, floating storage here. And also here is the radiator. Here is the radiator. And you can see this floor is the hexagon tiles as a floor, and the white subray tiles. And also you can see here is the toilet area, and here is the sink area with the floating vanity. Yeah, a floating vanity. You can see everything tidy. And wall mounted faucet. Here is the wall mounted faucet here. Yeah, and the bowl sink. And also here is the bathtub and the shower area, and with the little window near the roof. And you can see here is the skylight as same as the porch, the hallway. Yeah. And here is the wet area, and here is the dry area. The tub and the shower will share with the drainage too. And then here is the ledge. Yeah, here is the ledge, just fit from the wall to the shower glass door. And you can place everything here for your bath. And here maybe have the faucet, the mounted faucet and the mounted rainforest shower. And then here is the door. You can come into the dining area and the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. It's the original kitchen. I just keep the corner, every corner for the outside wall, and just dismantle the little wall with the window here, the original one. And here is the door in original. You can go through the here to go out into the garden, the rear garden. And now I just dismantle this area and link up with the extension area. Maybe add something like that to uphold the second story. And here is the fridge and the food storage cabinet. And here I want to add a square iron with the double sink, the under countertop double sink. And here is the cooktop and with the renovation. And here is the uh, oven and the steam machine. And here is the lower cabinet, lower kitchen cabinet, and with two folding shelves for my pots. And also you can see here is the brass bash, and I want to placing the herringbone tile, not separate, just herringbone here. And you can see this is the dining area, and you can work in here with the under the sunshine. Also here is the skylight, and here I want to build some folding shelves from this wall and end up here. You can see the window, you can see through the windows, make the outside inside. And I don't want to make the bifolding door here to save money, and and functional for me. It's just one door to go outside into the rear garden. It's okay. And then here is the original living room. Yeah, I just keep it as the same. Maybe I add some folding shelves here and a wardrobe here, and I want to change this original door into this side. Yeah, you can open here into the kitchen. If here, if you're entertaining, you can open the door inside here. Is more convenience. And then you can upstairs to the second floor, the second story. Yeah. Most of the room will keep unchanged, remain unchanged, and especially this room just dismantle the built-in wardrobe and build some folding shelves and wardrobe here, and nothing special change. And the other room, I want to dismantle this wardrobe roll. The original one built in the clever wardrobe here, but I just want to keep these two rooms into one, so I want to dismantle this wardrobe just like that. And then here is the bathroom. I just want to keep one bathroom underground, so here is the toilet room. Here is the toilet room only. And I want to block this area, storage area, maybe add some niche here to storage some books or something like that. Maybe this is the toilet or folding vanity, and here is the toilet or vanity. I still not have the determines decision. Yeah, something like that. And also here we have the open area to upstairs the roof, and I want to close this area uh, and I am concerned the roof maybe gets wet from the rain, strong rain, because the survey report reported us to rebed the badge of the roof. So maybe we bed the roof and close the close the path to upstairs the roof here. I think this is the conclusion for the extension project. Yes, thanks.